Welcome back to AutoZone, the channel where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of motorcycles. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most iconic cruisers in the midsize segment, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. Known for its timeless design, smooth ride, and Honda's bulletproof reliability, the Shadow has been a rider's favorite for decades. But with the 2025 model, Honda has introduced some thoughtful updates while keeping the spirit of the Shadow alive. Let's break down everything you need to know about this classic cruiser reborn for a new era. A legacy of reliability and style. The Honda Shadow 750 has been around since the mid-1980s, carving a reputation as a reliable and stylish cruiser that didn't try to copy others but instead built its own following. For nearly 4 decades, the Shadow has stayed true to its roots, offering riders a low-slung design, comfortable ergonomics, and enough power to make both city rides and highway cruises enjoyable. The 2025 version continues this legacy, appealing to both veteran riders who grew up admiring the Shadow and new riders searching for a dependable cruiser that's easy to handle yet bold enough to stand out. Engine and performance, smooth power delivery. At the heart of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is its tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Honda has made refinements for smoother throttle response and slightly better fuel efficiency this year, while still keeping the engine's classic character. Producing around 45 horsepower and 47 lb-ft of torque, the Shadow is not about blistering speed. Instead, it focuses on smooth, predictable power delivery. Whether you're rolling through city traffic or cruising at highway speeds, the V-twin gives a relaxed, confident performance. The 5-speed gearbox is tuned perfectly for cruising, and the shaft drive, a feature that sets the Shadow apart from many competitors, ensures low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Comfort and ergonomics, built for the long ride. Honda designed the Shadow 750 with rider comfort as a priority. The low seat height of just 25.9 inches makes it easy for riders of all sizes to feel confident when stopped. The wide handlebars and forward-set foot pegs provide a relaxed riding position that reduces fatigue on longer trips. The 2025 model also comes with improved suspension tuning. The 41mm front forks and dual rear shocks now provide slightly better damping, ensuring a smoother ride over rough city streets and open highways alike. Combined with a curb weight of around 550 pounds, the Shadow strikes a balance between stability and agility, making it approachable for both beginners and experienced riders. Design and styling, classic meets modern. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 stays faithful to its cruiser heritage with a long, low silhouette and retro-inspired styling. Chrome accents are still present, but Honda has also introduced a new matte black edition for riders who prefer a more